In this video, we'll show you how to change the front fender on your Honda Accord. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Accord safely. Start by removing the plastic cover by pulling on the 10 plastic rivets using a fork. Then remove the cover. To remove the fender from your vehicle, you need to remove the front bumper cover, the mudguard, and the lower plastic cover. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Cover, Honda Accord. You also need to remove the headlight. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Headlight Assembly, Honda Accord. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the rivet holding the plastic trim along the fender by prying on the central part first. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, remove the retaining clip. You can now remove the plastic trim. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the fender along the length of the hood. Open the door. Next, unscrew the retaining bolt in the door opening using the same tools. Behind the side skirt, you can access the lower fender retaining bolt. Using a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt holding the lower part of the fender. Then remove the bolt. You can now unscrew the bolt below the side bumper cover retainer using the 10mm socket. Remove the rubber protection around the hood hinge to gain access to the last fender retaining bolt. Then unscrew it with a 10mm wrench. You can now remove the fender. To do this, lift it slightly and pull it towards you, jiggling it back and forth. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the side bumper cover retainer. You may install it on the new fender. You can order the fender used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Put the side bumper retainer back on the fender. Then tighten the 2 screws. Put the new fender in position on the vehicle. Start by reinstalling the 3 bolts holding the fender along the length of the hood, without tightening them too much in order to keep the necessary play to adjust the alignment of the fender with the hood. The alignment of the fender with the door and the hood must be done with both the door and hood in closed position. Carefully close the hood. Then align the fender, keeping an even spacing along the entire length of the hood. If necessary, unscrew the hood retaining bolts very slightly to allow the clearance needed to adjust the alignment. Once in position, open the hood. Then finish tightening the 3 bolts. Screw the hood hinge bolt back on. Put the rubber protection back in place. Screw the retaining bolt on the door opening side back on. Then screw the lower bolt back in. Put the headlight back in place. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Headlight Assembly, Honda Accord. Now you need to reinstall the front bumper cover. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Cover, Honda Accord. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Put the plastic cover back on. Then put the 10 rivets back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.